In this video we will look at the top 5 best car emergency escape tools available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Stinger Super Duty Car Emergency Escape Tool. When there is no room to swing your arm to use the hammer, the spring-loaded window punch works easily and quickly to give you the best chance for escaping your vehicle. It also has a sharp blade on the backside of the hammer for cutting through seat belts. What makes this safety tool stand out is the quality of the build. The handle has a non-slip rubber coating over the grip. It's textured to provide the greatest amount of grip and comfort during use. It also comes with a hanger loop for convenient and easy storage. The escape tool is a bit on the heavier side as it is made out of stainless steel, but at least it's compact and has two types of hammers. There is the spring-loaded, flat surface glass breaker and the carbon steel hammer point for a more manual touch. The spring-loaded window punch works easily and quickly to give you the best chance for escaping your vehicle. The Stinger will only break tempered glass. It is not designed to break windshields or laminated glass. The safety hammer can be purchased with either an orange or black handle, and either as a single unit or two-pack, providing either a gift or multiple tools to be stashed in both the front and back of your car. Number 4. Zetalus Stinger Car Emergency Escape Tool. The Stinger Car Emergency Tool is the original design, patented emergency escape tool that can be integrated into everyday life. It is a useful gadget that you should have in the car. It provides a daily function as a phone charger that you can use every day. And plus 2 emergency tools that could save lives when involved in a car accident. The spring-loaded punch works quickly and easily, but like other escape tools, will only break tempered glass. Unlike other escape tools that are likely tossed into a glove box or center console, this one also serves as a USB charger, so you'll likely always have it within reasonable reach in the case of an emergency. The intelligent circuit design protects the tool from overheating or overcharging. The window breaker knife is really compact and can easily fit in your pocket. It also has a spring-loaded tip for easier escape. Simply push the hammerhead against the window, and watch it shatter. Of course, there is also the razor blade that can cut your seat belt in an instant. It's not expensive, and you can simply leave it in your car. You don't lose anything, only gain a method of escape. Number 3. Stander Handybar Vehicle Emergency Escape Tool. The handybar from Stander gives you independence, balance, and support when standing or sitting from your vehicle. With the added emergency window breaker and seat belt cutting tool, you will have peace of mind when you or your loved ones are traveling. This 3-in-1 product is a bit different than the rest because it also serves as an automotive safety cane tool for assistance getting in and out of a car. For normal, day-to-day use, it can attach to a car door latch for leverage, ideal for elderly, injured or anyone who needs mobility assistance. Store the 1-pound car assist grab bar in your glove box, door compartment, or purse. Always have your assistive mobility handle within reach when traveling. The handle measures 9 inches long and 1 inch wide. This is one of the highest rated automotive standing aids on the market, ideal for both caregivers and senior drivers. However, the handybar requires a U-shaped door striker latch. If your vehicle has a striker bolt, you'll want to look elsewhere. With that said, this is a brilliantly designed product and an effective solution for most older adults. Safely supports up to 350 pounds, designed for everyday use, the durable car assist bar is the perfect travel accessory. Number 2. Amazon Basics Emergency Seat Belt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool. When you are looking to secure your on-road journey with safety, you can't miss this amazing emergency seat belt cutter and window hammer from Amazon Basics. The window hammer is made from harder-than-steel tungsten metal and has sharp dual-pointed heads to offer definitive strength and fast results. It remains compact and easy to use, while at the same time, it has a lot of features that will definitely come in handy. The hammer itself is hard tungsten metal double-head hammer for quickly breaking a car door window, so you know it will break a car window in no time. The ultra-sharp seat belt cutter easily cuts through every seat belt, making it easy to escape during an emergency. Designed to help escape from a sinking, overturned, crashed, or burning car. Protective bracket included for safe storage, store in center console or driver side door pocket. Amazon Basics also provides a limited 1-year warranty. Number 1. RiskMe, the original keychain car escape tool. If you're looking for an escape tool you can easily take with you, RiskMe has the product for you. It features a seat belt cutter and car window breaker. The spring-loaded punch makes it easy for a child or an elderly person to use it with minimal strength. Also included in the package is a well-hidden stainless steel razor blade that cuts through a fastened safety belt to avoid vehicle entrapment. This compact tool is so tiny you can actually place it on a keychain. This way, you will have the tools you need to help someone in need no matter where you are, meaning you can carry it wherever you go. The quick release mechanism is a safety feature which conceals the seat belt cutter when not in use, thereby preventing accidental injury. The keychain is fortified by ABS plastic. Depending on how you want to transport the product, RiskMe provides a complimentary cable tie to hang from the rear view mirror and keyring to also keep it close by. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.